Alrighty, easy today. Build array from permutation. Given a zero base permutation nums, zero index, build an array answer of the same length where answer of I equals nums at I. Permutation. I see, I think. Okay, so answer of I equals nums at I. So 0 goes to 0. 1. So 1 is the value at index. Okay, so yeah. So I look at index 2, and the value at index 2 is 1, so that's 1 there. I look at index 1, and the value at index 1 is 2. Look at index 5, the value at index 5 is 4. Okay, sure. Answer, I'll say, is 0 times n, where n is equal to the length of nums. So I think this is just for every index in range n, answer at this index is equal to nums at this index. Return the answer. Oh, yay. Oh my lord. Oh. Bullshit. Cannot be this slow. I think maybe if I did append instead, let's say I made an empty array and appended to the array these values from nums. That's okay. Oh, what? What is going on? Okay, so maybe for every value in range, for every value nums, answer append nums of this value. Okay. Is this any different? All right. Okay. So there's some slight optimization if you just iterate over the values rather than indices. I think maybe the range, when you call range of n, it actually does a little bit of calculation to make a appropriate range. Okay, so the summary here is, I mean, go through each value in nums array, treat that as the index to use to find actual value to add onto the answer array. Could use append to add onto answer if iterating through all values of nums. This is useful if if the loop is a for each type loop, rather than an indexing type loop. So this is for each value in nums rather than for the indexes for some range. Note that it's slightly faster to use a for each loop than an indexing loop. I didn't actually know that that was necessarily the case, but it's definitely appears to be in this example. Time complexity, this is O of n. To go through each value in array. And space complexity, so this is O of 1 since the n since the answer array has some space requirement, but there is no additional space necessary. Just constants for your variables. Actually, what variables do you use, like n for the length of nums? Maybe I didn't actually need n here. No additional space is necessary. Okay, what is it all just random? Is this like sometimes it's 3 milliseconds, sometimes it's 0? I mean, I deleted an actual constant. Whatever.